Manufacturers everywhere understand the delicate balance between safety and productivity. Often, manufacturers make choices to enhance productivity, but some of those choices can place workers at risk. Is this an acceptable compromise? Are safety and productivity mutually exclusive? We don't think so. And the G29 chemical glove proves it, especially when it comes to chemical resistance. Check this out. On the left, we've stretched a G29 chemical glove. On the right, a leading competitor's glove, both stretched equally taut. We'll pour equal amounts of hydraulic fluid on each and start the clock. You can see the G29 glove remained intact much longer than the competitor's glove. So what does this mean for you? A worker using the G29 chemical glove will have fewer glove changes in a shift, and the safety risk due to solvent exposure will be reduced. This minimizes cost and enhances safety. Safety and productivity in perfect balance. Try the G29 chemical glove for yourself.